replay the emotions and just bring it out to the awareness for this moment and connect into a rhythmical breath. 6 seconds inhale, 6 seconds on exhale. Now when you picture this, can you find a gift about that situation? What has it gifted you? Who have you become? And can you accept whatever was as it was and bring this powerful memory into your brain and start thinking about how and what did you do to get out of it? What type of breath? What type of thoughts? Who were you with? And when you sense this, just imagine it as this one dot of situation, this folder. Now, go back in time again, and this time, think about a situation with a friend, family member, or a loved one, a person in your life that maybe has hurt you or that you have hurt. Replay that situation and just visualize it as if it's happening right now. Your brain cannot tell if it's tomorrow or yesterday. It only lives by what you're projecting right now. Now, as hard as it might be, can you find a gift about that situation, about that person, and start accepting it for what it was? Simply I accept, and recode and send this signal to your brain to readjust and connect into what were those thoughts, emotions, actions that you've taken during that time. Bring it into this moment.